Hello, my name is Evie Wusk, and this is my video for the Funds for Leaders scholarship application. I'm the type of leader who, like when I think about that question, the only thing I can think about is the times that I've been the best leader is when I get out of the way. And so, with my students, I'm a teacher. It starts with relationships, so getting to know them and getting to know ways that I can tap their little leadership skills and then slide over here and all while coaching them to do the awesome things that they can do. I'm also a leader who tells stories all the time. So, whatever vision I'm trying to paint for my students or if it's at church, I'm always using some sort of story to hopefully connect things for people. The second part of the question was about the problems that I see the ELCA facing, which at first my knee-jerk reaction to that is like, why are we starting with talking about problems? I think that's backwards. Because I'm more of a Gallup type of person, like let's start with your strengths and then build off of that. That being said, the problems that the institution faces are absolutely real. In my doctoral dissertation, I looked into problems of attrition or people who go to church and then leave and then maybe come back, but more and more don't. Or just bigger problems like world hunger and just, I mean, the problems are huge. They're going to outlive me. But I think, and the bishop just posted a video about this, which is a word that I like to use. This idea of pockets of energy, like the places that are already swirling. So instead of honing in on our problems and trying to think of solutions, I wonder if the Holy Spirit is wilier than that. If we're being called to look at what the Holy Spirit's already up to, look at the things that are happening that are cool, because the church isn't going away, even if in all our walks of life the institutions are changing. The church is the body of the people. And so if we look at the little pockets of energy of what's happening, even if it doesn't look like traditional church membership, I think there's stories to tell. And I think for me, at the end of the day, it's always about story. It's always about how can we figure out our own stories and figure out the way they fit into the bigger story of what God is up to. And also food. I feel like all the problems can be solved with food. Thanks so much for your time.